हेलो। हेलो पल्लवी वाघ। हेलो।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके। पल्लवी, आई एम
Yes, ma'am.
मैं आपको ना अनम्यूट करूंगी, तो आप सिर्फ मुझे इन बिटवीन बताते रहना कि आप मेरी आवाज आ रही नहीं या कुछ बंद हो रही है, मतलब आपको मैं अनम्यूट ही रख रही हूँ, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके। इन बिटवीन कुछ प्रॉब्लम अगर आता है तो प्लीज आप मुझे बोलना, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके। Who is read me? Please write your name. Only 9 participants are there. Good afternoon, all ASIC computer student. Good afternoon to all. I am Madhuri Kaude. I am teaching you digital electronics practical. Before start this practical, first I will tell you why this practical include in your syllabus. Because you will become a computer engineer, right? So you will, so you all know the about working of computer hardware, right? So computer work on 0 and 1. It is called binary data or digital data. And for processing of data, it's required the knowledge of digital data. And digital data is processed using digital system. And digital system is made up of many electronic component. So for above knowledge, you should know this digital theory subject and digital practical, right? So this is the code of this digital laboratory 210248, right? These are our practical online presentation outline. So for this practical, having term mark of 25 marks and credit of this subject is 1. And related theory subject is digital electronics and logic design. So these are the objective of digital electronics laboratory: to understand the fundamental and functionality of electronic circuit, design and implement combinational circuit like mux, comparator, adder and subtractor. You will also understand the sequential circuit like a flip-flop. Okay. Next, these are the outcome of this subject. After completion of this course, you will able to understand the working of digital electronic circuit, apply the knowledge to appropriate IC as per design specification, and design and implement the sequential and combinational circuit as per the specification. Okay, this is the classroom code and number of students joined till date 44. Block address link. So again here again a snapshot for my subject DLT. Here I already uploaded digital subject syllabus. This is block. On block, go to student, click on student corner, then click on SC Computer Division B. You get two links, theory DLD and practical DEL. Okay. For your requirement, click on related link. These are the rubrics for practicals. When you check your practical, you get marks, 10 marks. Okay, write up for 2 marks, correction of logic diagram for 2 marks, then truth table expression and K-map diagram for 2 marks, timely submission for 2 marks, and then Viva or oral, it's for 2 marks. Okay, see, total marks for this practical per assignment is 10 marks. Okay, and for attendance purpose, um, for practical attendance, first write down your roll number, space, first name, space, last name on your chat box, right? Um, up to 1:15, you will start your attendance. Okay. So this is our practical list. This is our DLD practical list based on two groups, group A and group B, right? So first practical, which is based on full adder subtractor, then second code converter, then BCD adder, then multiplexer, then comparator, then parity generator, and group B. Hello? Design and 7 practical design and realization. Am I audible? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 8 design of 2-bit and 3-bit triple counter. These are your practical list, and 12th number practical is group C, which is based on study assignment, which is based on shift register, right? Before start the practical, we required basic concept. Hello? Basic concept, digital system, number system, truth table, and logic gates. So what is mean by digital system? Hello. Digital system, digital electronics are electronic system that use digital system. Okay. So digital system are designed to store, process, and communicate information in digital form. So in the digital computer are more commonly called the computer is example of typical digital system. A binary number has two distinct values, 0 or 1, or it is also called as decimal system also. Okay. So what is the mean by number system? Because digital is the one number system. Digital electronics, the number system is used for representing the information. The number system has different base, and most common them are decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. These are 4 types of number system. So each number system having one base. So what is meant by base? Base is nothing but the radix. It having different symbols, right? So the first is the decimal number. A decimal number having base 10, that means it having 10 different symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And next one is the binary number. Binary number base is 2, so it having only two symbols, 0 and 1. Third is the octal number. It base is 8, so it having only 7 different symbol, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And last number system is hexadecimal number system, or its base is 16. 0 to 9 there are different number. Again after the 9, 10 is a not a number. So A, B, C, D, E, F. These all included in hexadecimal numbers. Okay. So these are the basic of number system. Next one is the truth table. These all concepts are required for your digital theory subject also, and it's required for your practical also, right? So truth table. What is meant by truth table? Truth table is list the output of particular digital logic circuit for all the possible combination of inputs. Here, one diagram is there, AND gate, right? So it's AND gate having one input I1 and second input is I2 and output is Y. Related to this AND gate, truth table is there. If 0, 0 is, then output is 0. That means this truth table is the list of output which is based on their particular input. Then this is also one truth table, right? First truth table is having only one input and having only one output. Next truth table having three inputs and only one output. Again, one concept is there. 0 is indicate the low voltage and 1 indicates the high voltage. Again, 0 indicate the off, 1 indicate the on. 0 indicate the true, 1 indicate the 0 indicate false and 1 indicate the true. Next, these all DLD based on binary numbers, this digital numbers, right? So how to write this decimal number in truth table or anywhere? So actually these all concept I will tell you later on, but here important I will tell you how to write binary number. So here use weighted code 8421. So when you will write, if you want to write the binary number 4, then you write 0, 1, 0. So addition is 4. So 4, 4, 5, 9, these are the decimal number. And 0, 1, 0, 1, these are the binary number. Okay. So 4 indicate 0, 1, 0, 0. 5 is represent 0, 1, 0, 1. 9 indicate 1, 0, 0, 1. So upon 8, I'm writing 1 and upon 1 I'm writing 1. So addition is 9. Okay, 12, 1, 1, 0, 0. Like that you can write binary number. Okay. So again, one more concept is there, MSB and LSB, most significant bit and least significant bit. So for least significant bit having low weight and for most MSB having more weight. Okay. So 8421, one is the LSB side and 8 is the MSB side. So binary number 5. So its binary code is a 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0 A is the MSB side and D is the LSB side. So these are the example of truth table, and also it's having the different binary numbers are there. Okay. So this is the assignment for you. Write the truth table for 2 inputs, 3 inputs and 4 inputs. Okay. Then what is meant by logic gates? I think this concept already you will learn in your basic electronics subject, right? So what is meant by logic gates? A logic gates is the basic building block of a digital circuit which is used to implement a Boolean function. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relation between input and output is based on a certain logic. Based on this logic, logic gates are named AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Okay? So these are the types of gates. First is the basic logic gates. Under the basic logic gate, there are again 3 gates: AND gate, NOT gate, OR gate. Then third is the second one is the universal logic gates, NAND gate and NOR gate. And third one is the other logic gates, or you may call it derived gates, XOR gate and XNOR gate. So basic gates used to perform basic operation. Universal gate is a gate which can implement any Boolean function without the need to use any other gate type. NAND gate and NOR gate are the universal gate. Then derived gates are formed from the combination of 2 or more the primary logic gates. These are the gate symbols and it's having their related truth table. Okay. So first is the, S. First is the not triangle is there, right? So his triangle is also called as the buffer. So input is A, then output. If input is 0, then output is also 0. Then input is 1, output is also 1. Next is the NOT gate. NOT gate having if input is a 0, then output is a 1. If input is a 1, then output is a 0. Likewise, AND gates having two inputs, 0, 0, then output is a 0. These all treble, I think you know. You learn your basic electronic subjects in first year. The next one is the important part. These are the hardware requirement for your practicals. Digital trainer kit or breadboard, IC diagram, patch cord, power supply. Uh, this is the digital trainer kit. It is a self-contained self set of electronic circuits. In this digital trainer kit, you see there is the input section, output section, clock section, VCC ground. VCC is nothing but the whole voltage, and for the this our digital practical we required only 5 volt supply, and again required the ground connection also. In their 4 socket also, socket A, B, C, D, E, we required only 4 sockets. These sockets are used for place the IC. Next one is the breadboard is also used in this practical. Okay, this is the one breadboard. Next one is the IC. IC is the integrated circuit. An integrated circuit is a set of electronic circuit on one small flat pieces or chip of semiconductor material that is normally silicon. You see on IC number SN7400N and 7645. So 7400, this number is used for the NAND gate, and other left side IC 7404. It is the NOT gate IC. Next one is the IC diagram. Pin configuration IC 7400 and 74. This IC diagram you can use for in practical for connection purpose. This 7400, it is the NAND gate IC, it having 2 inputs and 1 outputs. Okay, you can see in a diagram 1 and 2 pins are used for inputs, and third pin is used for the output. 4 and 5 is 4 and 5 are used for the inputs, and 6 is used for the output. Again, on next side, 10 and 9 are used for the inputs, and 8 is for the output. 13 and 12 are used for the input, and 11 is the output. And 7 and 14 are used for the ground and VCC. Okay. So in single IC, you get 4 NAND gate. Okay. This diagram same for your 7432 OR gate IC, 740 AND gate IC. This diagram is same for that gate also. Again, one example for pin diagram or pin configuration, NOT gate. So in one IC, total 6 NOT gate is there, because the NOT gate having only 1 input and 1 output. That's why here 6 NOT gate are combined. Okay, input gate 1 in output gate 1, input gate 2, output gate 2. If you require 3 NOT gate, hello? Hello? So for verification of truth table, AND gate, on OR gate, NOT gate. So if you desktop user, then you can use this following link. I will explain you how to work virtual lab for this practical. Just a minute. Okay. So for verification, AND gate. Click on AND gate. Here, one circuit diagram is there. What is the AND gate table? First, battery connected. That means power supply is on. Then these are the switch to. If in AND gate, truth table said if 1 1 is there, then output is 1. If 1 0 is there, then output is off. Then this bulb is off, right? If switch 1 is, that means if 1 1 is there, then mean output is 1. If any single one is there, 0 is there, that means the output is 0. Okay. Then next is next simulator. If input is 1, then output is 0. What will be the output? As per our truth table, output is the 0. It's check. So it's correct. Next one is if in both are input 1, then output is 1. Correct. Incorrect. So likewise, you check this truth table also using connection, and through the truth table you check the simulation AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate. Okay, first start the battery, then start the switch. Okay, this is the NOR gate. What is the truth table of NOR gate? Check this truth table right or wrong. Okay. Then for mobile user, download following app. Here I'm giving a link for this app. App name is the Logic Circuit Sim. Its color is red color. Okay. So this app like that. Uh, Scroll. Okay. First screen of this app. Here one AND gate is there, right? Click on this AND gate, you will get this selected element to add, right? You can add the gate as per your requirement. You can give the input using the switch and button. You will connect the output using light and RGB LED. Okay. then then for mobile user, you can also implement this practical using this way, right? I'm connecting only button using the inputs, and first R color are used for the output purpose. Okay. After completing your connection, click on touch button and check your connection. Okay. So next part is how to upload DLD practical in Google Classroom. First, prepare hard copy, write up for practical, then scan it and save as a PDF. Then give the file name in following format: batch name, DLD practical number, then student name. Here example S2 underscore DEL. If your practical number is 4, then practical number 4 underscore Pranali Awad. This is one example. Then go to Google Classroom of AC Computer Division B. Then click on class work tab. Then click on upload ELD practical. So you can click on, or you can click on following link also. Okay. So understood? Hello. So for this practical, you make one notebook. Practical also required one notebook, and theory also required one notebook. Okay. Okay, this is the practical list. So I also explain you about the practical, how to basic concept for this practical, how to work on practical. So I will start the practical to realize the full adder and subtractor using basic gates and universal gates. First, start the practical. If anyone having some questions, please write your question on chat box or raise your hand. I'm for 5 minutes. I'm stop the sharing. Please uh, ask if anyone having question. Please raise your hand if you have question. Tejas Patil. Who is Tejas Patil? Tejas
Yes,
Patil.
ma'am.
Okay. You understood?
Yes.
What is the practical name?
Okay. What?
What is practical name? Which practical I'm teaching you?
Logic gates.
This is the one
Means
concept of this practical. I'm asking you practical name.
full adder using basic gates.
No, no. My question is practical name. That means the practical name is the digital electronics and logic.
Means subject name.
Practical subject name. Oh,
DL. Dale.
Delhi. Okay. Uh, do you know OR gate truth table?
Yes.
Please tell. What is the output of
Truth
if
table.
the input is 0 and 1? What is the output
0
of
and
OR
1.
gate? If input is a 0 and 1, what is the output of OR gate?
1.
1. Okay. And in XOR gate, if input is a 1 and 0?
X or
Yes.
0.
Okay, right. Next one is the Chaitanya Kale. Chaitanya. आप लोग बंद करके मत रखो पूरा, मतलब साइड में मोबाइल रख के मत करो, ये आप सब आपको पढ़ना है सब प्रैक्टिकल्स. ओके. That means just a minute. शुभम ठोके. शुभम ठोके, मैंने आपको अनम्यूट किया है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. What is the requirement of this practical? Hardware requirement. Please tell me the hardware requirement of these practicals.
मैम 2 पे मैं पता नहीं मैम.
So आपने लेक्चर नहीं सुना क्या?
इनवाइट नहीं किया था मैम किसी ने.
इनवाइट नहीं ना, मैंने सबको, आप इनवाइट हो इसीलिए तो आप दिखाई दे रहे हो ना मुझे, मैंने इसीलिए तो मैंने कोई ये किया ना आपको अनम्यूट. आप हो ना मेरी लिस्ट में, पार्टिसिपेट में आप हो ना.
मैम अब आया मैं 3 मिनट पहले.
हेलो.
मैम 3 मिनट पहले आया मैं.
वडजे प्रतीक्षा. हेलो वडजे प्रतीक्षा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are the requirement of this practical? Hello. 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 Vardja Pratiksha. I am audible to you all. Santoshi Zalte. Hello. Hello. Santoshi Zalte is there? Hello. Okay. So today's assignment is you should write the truth table. Okay. Just a minute. I will show truth table. Make a one notebook and write this truth table. Truth table for 2 inputs, 3 inputs, and 4 inputs. Okay. So using this truth table, आपकी बाइनरी कोड लिखने की भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी. So write down this truth table on your notebook. Okay. Hello. Please unmute yourself. When I'm asking your question, I'm asking your question. Then hello. Who is Sonam team play? Hello. Who is Sonam team play?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, क्या है आपकी क्वेरी? क्या है? आपने कुछ चैट बॉक्स पर डाला फॉर वेरीफाइंग द ट्रूथ टेबल. हेलो.
यस मैम, आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना, उसका आंसर.
विच क्वेश्चन? हेलो. एंड गेट और गेट के बारे में बोल रहे हो क्या आप?
यस मैम.
ओके.